All right, so we did our trucks. We got everything, and they run good. They feel good. They everything, and we got to reinstall the side frames. Now, check this out. You see that gap right there? If you've forgotten already, that gap is because you took the side frames out. So to put the side frames in now, let's just go ahead and take the bottom cover off again. Now, there's another reason to take the bottom cover off, and it is detailed in the instructions, is for cleaning. You don't have to disassemble the locomotive to take the bottom off. So here's a side frame, and as you can see, there are wipers. Now, I've gone ahead and I have cleaned these wipers with a flat blade X-Acto knife, and then I painted a little ox guard on them. But to put the side frames in, you can't put the wheels in wrong. They don't go in wrong, so you don't have to worry about that. But the side frame fills that gap, and so you put the side frame on first. All right, did we get that guy right the right way? Looks like it. Got to get him over that guy. Okay, so now the side frame is on. That's going to fill the gap that was right there. And now we put in our wheels. They only go one way. There's only one way to put the wheels in. So you don't have to worry about looking for the insulated washers or nothing, because the side frames go one way, but every wheel picks up power. And as long as you have not bent these guys too far, they're going to wipe the edge of the wheels, even the one that has tires. They're going to do that. You're going to need power. So then you put your bottom guy on here. And then you lock him down a little bit. We dropped out the rear screw, so we'll put him in there. We'll put him in there if we can. See if we can get him lined up. See if we can get him lined up the right way. Oh, okay. The front one's off. The front one is not the right way. Let's take him out again. All right, now, you know what this tells me? I might have done it wrong. So let's take the wheels out. And side frames. Oh no, they only line up one way, don't they? Is that right? They only line up one way? There's a guy right there who's just a pin, who probably goes in just the pin hole. That don't seem right though, does it? Because we think that we have to. Well, he lines up just right. Let's check this guy. Interesting. Okay. Check the position of them screws. One in the rear and one offset. So let's put our wheels back in, and I'll show you why that's interesting. So there's one part of the truck that lines up with the pinhole. Put these guys in. All right, now our top guy should line up with that hole right there. And if he does, then he works. Just like that. So I have to give it to ROCO for being very clever about the assembly and disassembly of these locomotives, because they've got it figured out so that it can't go together the right way if you screwed it up in some way. And there he is. And now let's put him over there on the track. Hold it. Get in there. What? Beauty. This guy also. Beauty. Very nice. There we go. And that's our side frames installed. The wheels and everything. So we're getting closer to putting them back together.